The power of promoting content on social media. When it comes to promoting content, social media is often seen as the most effective way to go. This is due to the fact that social media platforms are incredibly user-friendly and offer a wide array of tools that content creators can use to reach a wide audience. Let's dive into why social media is such an effective tool for content promotion. Cost-effective solution. One of the biggest benefits of using social media platforms to promote content is the fact that they can be extremely cost-effective. This is because social media platforms are free to use, which means that content creators don't have to spend money on advertising campaigns or other forms of marketing. As a business owner in need of digital marketing, this can be a great way to save money while still getting your message out there and reaching new potential customers. Engagement opportunities. Social media platforms are also incredibly engaging. This is because they allow content creators to connect with a wide range of people, which can help them build relationships and increase their visibility online. Through meaningful conversations with their followers, content creators can build trust and form relationships with potential customers that may not have been possible before. This makes it easier for them to turn those followers into paying customers down the road. Targeted audience. Finally, social media also offers content creators the opportunity to target specific audiences with their messages. By utilizing targeted ads and carefully crafted posts, businesses can make sure that their messages are reaching the right people, instead of sending them out into an empty void hoping someone will hear them. With targeted audiences, you know who is seeing your messages and you can tailor your message even further, in order to better engage with those individuals and meet their needs more effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels, and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.